Good afternoon and good evening to everyone. It's been a while. It's been a long vacation that I took. Hopefully most of you are doing well in your trading and in your personal lives. I'll be back to the Discord as of today. More than welcome to ask me any question concerning trading and investment. More than happy to give my own opinion concerning that if it matters. Let's make this week view starting by the DXY. What a move on most of the pairs and on the indices. Beautiful week. If you know what you're doing. Beautiful opportunities. I did not check the charts that much. I took a trade or two every week, and that's it. Just to stay in the mood and just to stay in the trading mentality. Neil, how are you? Long time, my friend. Okay, so let's cover up the DXY. Still in an uptrend. There's no indication of any down move. We broke out the top. We might have, I doubt that, but we might have something like this, but I'll be looking for more continuation of the up move. Nothing indicating anything like this for the time being. And even if it does, it did not start. As most of you know, I do not pick tops and bottoms. I just go as of liquidity, daily liquidity, session liquidity, and I follow that. Today's Sunday, I'm just gonna cover the weekly view. Then we'll cover up in our Discord the daily views and the 4-hour potential setups as we usually do every day, every session. Potential setups. I trade indices. Some other guys trade crypto. We go live every session, London and New York. Depends on what's the setup giving us, and we trade that. GU was looking, definitely, most likely we're looking for more down. We might have something towards these areas or this area, a pullback, then continuation of the down move. There's no intention of any kind of reversal. We might have a consolidation in this area, but I do not predict the future. All I know is this is the direction, and that's basically what I'll be trading on intraday basis. Euro USD still according to the plan. Mentioned a month ago that we're looking for a swing trade. Whoever is looking for a swing trade, there's a potential of this, and looking towards below 1.0, below that area, looking towards these areas, believe it or not. But for the time being, we might have a pullback as mentioned, but I won't bet on it. I'll be looking more down move. Any sell setup, will be trading that on daily basis. USDCAD going as planned, as covered it 2 months ago, gave this a fractal, and it's going according to it. And you should be trading your setups, your intraday as longs. I took a couple of swings. I took a swing around these areas, and I took a swing around this area, and I took a swing around these areas, around this area right here. Still holding one position on USDCAD, seeing how far it will go, but most likely will be following these areas around this and potentially around this area. Let's see how far it will go. If I need to intraday USDCAD, would be looking for longs. Aussie, same thing, potentially around these areas and these areas. Still looking for sell setups. Nothing changed. Gold, explained this a couple of weeks ago. Still going as planned. Hopefully whoever is trading it is making some money out of what we explained. We're looking for a pullback, most likely something and not breaking the stop, this equal highs that was created, then coming down around 1600. I'll be more interested around 1600. Actually, I'll be buying physical gold around 1600 for potentially continuation of the up move. That's my intention. 1600 is a really good area to really think about it. Silver around 20 and 18 areas. We'll be looking for continuation of the up move. Oil, there's no indication of something like this. If you intraday or trade this one, still looking for this. As I said, I do not like, and I will never pick top and bottoms. It is what it is. It's closing. From price action view, it is closing as very strong move to the up move. So if I need to intraday this pair, I'll be looking for buys. Cover up the indices. It's more clear on the S&P and the NAS, but would be looking for around 29,000 and even 26,000 for this pullback, and who knows, it might go deeper, but that's the intention and that's what I'll be trading. S&P 500, same thing I said, it's clearer. Who's been following me and know my style, it's clear for me to be selling on any pullback, especially when it's created this leg. So would be looking for more sells, who knows to where, but for the time being it might do something like this, right? I'll be looking for more sales after intraday liquidity grabs. Same thing, more sales to come. Trading sell setups as we move on during the week. Any potential, any spike is just a fake spike for you to sell. Moving on to BTC, hopefully most of you are benefiting from these moves and not getting trapped with the mentality of bull runs and going out of nowhere. It's clear as daylight towards these areas, and why not the 16,000. ETH, the same thing, these areas, and most likely 700 something. I know most of you would not like that, but hey, it is what it is. Do not get attached to your trading. Learn when to exit and learn when to benefit from the pullbacks, and sometimes not all pullbacks are there to be bought, right? This is looking for something like this. Maybe not that deep, I pushed it a bit, but at least towards these areas. and especially this area right here. Dot, same thing, maybe create something like this before any leg, I don't know, but that's the intention towards $10, maybe lower. So that will be it for this week. Hopefully we'll see you in the Discord. I'm live every session, London and New York. I will not be trading as intraday for this week, just to get back in the mood. For intraday, I was swing trading a bit, a couple of days, as I mentioned at the beginning of this webby. But I will be live, checking the charts, getting my brain and my eyes into the mood back again. So more than welcome to join me. Beside that, have a beautiful week and trade safe.